Writ of mandamus. Mandamus lawsuits. In this video, we are going to talk about the writ of mandamus, why you have to file it if you have been waiting for too long. My name is Bijou Ngwanda, I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with complex U.S. immigration laws cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing. And please do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything. If you enjoy the content, please go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. Also join me on my private Facebook group where I answer questions live at least twice a month. You can also follow us on TikTok or Instagram, because we're talking about employment-based immigration, the business side of immigration, investment, self-petitions, and more. Can you file a lawsuit in the federal court? The answer is yes, you can. And can you win? The answer, of course, is yes, you can, provided that all those requirements are met, right? Let's get into the deep of the subject. Writ of mandamus. It's a lawsuit that you file in federal court in order to force an agency from this government to take action on your case, on your petition. You can file that lawsuit, mandamus lawsuit, against USCIS, DOS, the Department of State, FBI, DHS, or any agencies as far as the processing is concerned of your visa or your petition. And why would you do that? Because you have been waiting without any resolution. That's why you want to pursue a lawsuit. Now the question becomes, will USCIS basically retaliate? Well, the answer is no. They cannot retaliate because it's law, right? If you feel like your right has been undermined and that you have been waiting unreasonably, okay, you have your right to file a lawsuit. It's not because you want the judge to give you the answer on your petition. No, that's not the purpose of the lawsuit. The purpose of that lawsuit is for you and the judge to force the agency to come up with a decision. For example, if you've been waiting for, let's say, asylum to be decided, right? Or to be called to the interview for your asylum, you've been waiting for 7 years. Well, that is unreasonable, right? Now you file the lawsuit in federal court because you want USCIS to call you for the interview. That's the reason you're filing the lawsuit. And once they call you for the interview, then they're going to provide you with their final decision. So that's basically the reason why you're filing that mandamus lawsuit in federal court. Okay? Well, so who is qualified? Okay, what type of cases are qualified for those writ of mandamus? Well, the way it works is this, right? They are looking at unreasonable delays. And who decide what is unreasonable? Well, the judge decides what is unreasonable. Well, the judge decides whether you have been waiting for too long and whether that waiting time period is unreasonable. It's a decision that comes from the judge. So, but how do we decide? Because we have to assess your case and tell you whether or not you are well positioned for this lawsuit. We are going to start from the beginning, from the day you file your petition to the day you are filing that lawsuit. What is the time frame? Okay, we're going to look at the processing time in general. But again, we are going to look at the totality of circumstances surrounding your particular case, because some people have family, people are sick over there or abroad, so they have to read that so they can get medical help. So those are the reasons, right, why we believe that If we believe that that delay is unreasonable, then we have to take the course of action, and that course of action will be to file a mandamus lawsuit. Writ of mandamus, a lawsuit in federal court. Unreasonable delays. Okay? So where do you file that lawsuit? Well, you can file the lawsuit in U.S. District Court, federal court where you reside, or you can file a lawsuit here in Maryland, because why? A lot of those agencies have their headquarters in Maryland. Or you can file right here in Washington, D.C. What a better place, right? And we are right here in Washington, D.C. to help you out. Even though you live in somewhere else or some other state, well, we can still file for your lawsuit here in Washington, D.C. If you feel like you've been waiting on the 221G of INA, Immigration and Nationality Act, and the wait has been for too long, and you don't know how to get unstuck in that processing or administrative processing, whatever that is, so we can help you out. Okay? Just call 202-751-2180. Email bijou.ngwandaesq@gmail.com. Let us help you. You can also schedule a consultation right here by using the link in the description box below. Let us help you. Again, consultation fees apply as usual. Until next time, bye-bye.